viewers of Corona Wellness Program from Facebook and YouTube Live. Hope you all are having a pleasant evening. The Corona Wellness Program is an initiative by Bharat Scouts and Guides Karnataka with the blessings of our State Chief Commissioner Sri PGR Sandhya Sir along with Manoj Lekhi ji from LIA, Life Essence Academy. This is a holistic healing session featuring Dr. Jignasha and Mrs. Preeti Shukla. I would also like to welcome the host for today, Mr. Vishal Methi. Over to you, sir.
Thank you so much. Good evening, everyone. So let me tell you the program details. The total duration of the program is for 30 minutes. It is divided into two parts, 20 minutes and 10 minutes. That 20 minutes will be for the physical exercise and 10 minutes will be for mental exercise. That physical exercise will be taken care by Dr. Jignasha ji. Jignasha ji is basically an international sound healer, and she will teach us about yogic breathing. This yogic breathing will help you for improving your lungs capacity, as well as it will help you to increase your immunity. And guided affirmations will be taken care by Preeti Shukla ji, and that will help you to make mentally strong. So now I would like to invite Dr. Jignasha ji. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you. Welcome you all. Let's start with relaxation and prayer. Sit in Sukhasana or any comfortable posture. Close your eyes. Have a beautiful smile on your face. Hand rested on the knees, facing to the sky. Palm facing to the sky. Spine erect. Take a deep breath in. Slowly and gently breathe out. Again, take a deep breath in. And you are taking energy from the whole universe. Hold. And while breathing out, just become more and more peaceful, happy, and relax. Relax. Again, take a deep breath in. Hold. And slowly and gently breathe out. And relax your whole body. Relax. 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 Prayer to the Patanjali Rishi. Yogena chitta shapadena vacham malam sharirasya cha vedhyakena yopakarotam pravaram muninam patanjali pranjaliranotoshmi yadatmatatve natu brahma tattvam Deepo yamine hayuta prayashyate ajam dhruvam sarvatatve shuddha jnatah deva muchyate sarvapashi. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Slowly and gently, you may open your eyes. Okay, yesterday we learned Nadi Shodhan Pranayam called Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Today we will learn Ujjayi Pranayam. It is very beneficial for the students. So, Ujjayi Pranayam is also one of the 8 types of pranayama described by Swami Swatmaram in Hatha Pradipika. Hatha Pradipika is the textbook of yoga. In that, there is a sloka for Ujjayi Pranayama. Mukham Sanyam Nadibhyam Akrushvam Pavanam Shanehi Yatha Lagati Kanthantu Radayavati Saswanam. means by closing the mouth, inhale slowly through both the nostrils, touching this throat, matlab, shucking it, it will reach up to the heart, touching the throat, right? The chief characteristic of this Ujjayi Pranayama is the audible hissing sound like that, produced due to the partial closure of the glottis during the Puraka as well as Rechaka. So, in Puraka and Rechaka, there is a sound like s. When we just hissing sound, audible hissing sound, just listening at the time of exhalation and at the time of inhalation. So, other instruction for this Ujjayi Pranayam remain the same. Both the nostrils must be open at the time of doing any pranayama. So, first check your both the nostrils by putting the fingers right below the nose and take a deep breath and breathe out and check which one is dominant, whether right or left. So for that, you have to do one asana to balance both the nostrils. There is an asana, Padhastasana. We already learned these asanas in last session. So both the hands up and touch the feet, right? And you have to stay in this asana for 1 minute. So in every pranayam, this instruction will remain the same, right? Now, the next one is again mudra. So take your right hand up, right, in the blessing form. Now close the fist, right? We are learning Pranav mudra. For close the fist, thumb out. Now touch the finger, thumb, touch the finger. Now open the last 2 fingers, keep it straight, right? Now just open thumb, right? Here, what we will do? We will inhale from both the nostrils by hissing sound, right? And exhale from the left nostril. So instruction only for me, just be with it. Just first putting the hands in Pranav Mudra ready, right? And we take an inhalation from both the nostrils like this. And exhalation from the left. So we close the right with thumb and breathe out through left nostril. Again, ratio of inhalation and exhalation will remain the double. Inhalation, if you go for 3 seconds, then exhalation will be 6 seconds. If you go for 4 seconds of inhalation, then 8 seconds exhalation are there. So let's start. First, instruction for me, get ready in Pranav Mudra, right? So be ready, left hand on the knee in a Jnana Mudra and palm facing to the sky, right? Rested on the knee. Now, breathing from both the nostrils, inhalation, and close right nostril and breathe out through left. Again, open right and breathing from both the nostrils and exhalation from left nostrils. So, but you need some practice. These are very easy, right? But benefits are very high of this pranayama. So, let's do it together. Sit in Padmasana or Sukhasana, spine erect. Right hand in Pranav Mudra and left hand in Jnana Mudra. Left hand relax close your eyes. Now you observe me. So now you close your eyes so you can get the best benefit and you can connect with yourself. Have a beautiful smile on face. Now, and the other instruction, abdominal, keep your abdomen contracted during the inhalation and exhalation. This instruction will remain the same, right? In every pranayama. Okay, let's start. Now, inhale from both the nostrils. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Close the right nostril with thumb and exhale from left. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, open the right. Inhale from both the nostrils. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Close the right nostril with thumb and exhale from left. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now do it at your own. When you exhale, relax your hand. Keep your eyes closed and take your attention to your center of the eyebrow. Ujjayi Pranayama soothes the nervous system and calms the mind. And it has profound relaxing effect on the psychic level. It slows down the heart rate also, and it is useful for those who are suffering from high blood pressure. Yeah, this is very important pranayama for student also. Yeah, so there is a hissing sound, so your mind become calm by doing this Ujjayi Pranayama. Now, today we will do the Savasana with the Tibetan singing bowl. So for that, you all lie down on your back. Now you have to take attention in the different parts of the body with eyes closed, right? Close your eyes, legs apart, and relax. Relax both of your hands. Now take a deep breath in and slowly and gently breathe out and relax your whole body. Relax, relax, relax. Now take your attention to your right leg and relax your right leg completely. Relax. Relax your thigh muscles, knee, calf muscles, and sole. Your whole right leg is totally relaxed. Now take your attention to your left leg. Relax your left leg completely. Relax. To become peaceful, happy, and healthy is our nature. Just be with yourself. Take a deep breath in and take your attention to your navel region. And while breathing out, contract your abdominal muscles. Contract. Slowly and gently relax them completely. Relax. Now take your attention to your chest and relax your chest completely. Relax. Take your attention to your right hand. Relax every cell of your right hand. Relax every muscles of your right hand. Now take your attention to your left hand. Relax it completely. Relax. 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 Relax both of your shoulders. Release all the stress, anxiety, and tension and relax them completely. Relax. 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 Now take your attention to your spine. Relax every vertebra of your spine. Take your attention to your neck and relax your neck muscles completely. Relax. Now take your attention to your face. Relax your face completely. Relax. Relax your forehead. Relax both of your eyes. Relax your ears. Relax your nose, lips, and jaw muscles. Your whole body is completely relaxed. You are observing your whole body. Now take your attention to your heartbeat. And listen the music of your heartbeat. And it's a good voice. With every beat, he's telling us, I am with you. We all are protected, guided, and supported by divine power. Now, relax in Savasana and listen the affirmations by Preeti ji.
Now we will be doing affirmations on mind by Manoj ji. Affirmations are statements of truth. When we repeat them loudly or silently in our mind, then it becomes the reality of our life, as they directly goes to our subconscious brain. We have purposely kept some gap between two affirmations so that you can speak them loudly or repeat them silently in your mind. So with this, just be with your breath and relax your whole body and enjoy these affirmations on mind.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. I think higher than I feel. My thoughts are very clear. I am at ease and happy with all my thoughts. I find new and creative gratitudes every day. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I keep my mind churning to notice more and more minute details of the day. This way, I can be all the time in gratitude. Thank you. I enjoy the little things in life. I relax on the visions put into my subconscious. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love to meditate daily. I meditate 3 or even more times in a day. After meditation, I visualize how I wish to be, do or have. After meditation, I visualize my ideal world and see that it's happening in tremendous gratefulness. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Whenever I look into the mirror, I give myself a great smile. Acknowledging my happy physical existence. Whenever I see anyone with a perfect body, I thank him or her for being my inspiration. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I am aware about the self-talk about my body. My mind is very silent all the time. I verbalize what I want. Thank you. I'm 100% with whatever I do, whether it be eating, sleeping, having bath, singing, brushing, or anything. Thank you. I learn from every step. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Slowly, bring your attention to your breath. Turn to your left. Rise and sit in a comfortable position. And gently open your eyes. Hope you all have enjoyed these affirmations on mind. Thank you, Manoj, for wonderful affirmations. YouTube link for these affirmations is available. Now, mind is very powerful and it is divided into 3 brains: cerebellum, limbic, and neocortex. So when we understand the functions of these 3 brains, we understand our mind. And when we understand our mind, we can master it. And when we master our brain and mind, we can give direction to our thoughts. So for this, in RSVK and Life Essence Academy, we conduct many practices and use tools and techniques to give direction to our thoughts and master our mind. So Leah Help Desk and Leah System will help you to master your mind and design your life. For this, help us to serve you better. For any queries, you can contact us on our helpline number 9167-499-499. Our help desk Zoom link is also available. Morning time 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. and evening time 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. We have provided you with a QR code on your left, which you can scan and directly log on. So we'll see you there soon. Now it's time for segment intending. So let's watch video on segment intending by Manoj.
Welcome all of you to segment intending. What is segment intending? It is a pause which we take every 1.5 hours, and the pause is just a gratitude break and an opportunity to create what we want. There are 2 parts. One is the past and one is the future. What we have to do is just put our hands on the heart and thank the past. 3 things we will thank the past. Past is, first, we thank, if you have a guru, thank Guruji or your mother and father. So thank you, Guruji, or thank you, mommy and daddy, for giving this wonderful life. The second thank you is, thank you, this Mother Earth, for giving us so much love. And the third thank you is, thank you to this wonderful body to give us vibrant health. Now, this is the past. Now, future. So put the other hand here, and the future we create. So future we create is, thank you, thank you, thank you. The next 1.5 hours is the most wonderful hours of my life. And then you may add on whatever you're going to do. You can add on to that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And whatever you want to say, you can say, and say it in positive, present, continuous tense. That's all you have to do. Takes 1 minute. And put your hand first, the past. Put your hand this way, the future. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you, Manoj, for SI video. And thank you, Jignama, for all the yogic breathing exercises and relaxation of our body by sound. Thank you so much. Thank you all the viewers and all the participants.
That was a wonderful session. Thank you to all the facilitators for this wonderful session. I hope you all will join back tomorrow 7:30 in the evening for an English session and 7:30 in the morning for an Hindi session. Now, I would like to keep you all informed about some of the initiatives by Bharat Scouts and Guides Karnataka. The first one is the Scout Oxygen Bank. The Bharat Scouts and Guides Karnataka provides oxygen concentrators to COVID-19 positive individuals in home isolation in Bengaluru city. The contact details is given on the screen. You can contact in case it's necessary. The next one is the Digital Scout registration. All Cubs, Bulbul Scouts, Guides, Rangers, and Rovers of Bharat Scouts and Guides Karnataka can now register themselves digitally. We can stay connected on a virtual basis. We'll get all informations about activities and programs from Bharat Scouts and Guides. All you need to do is to open the browser and enter the link that is given, fill the form and submit it. Also, remember to submit your Scouts Kilo badges. For Cook badge, use the first link that is given. For Solar Energy badge level 1, use the second link that is given. And for Bookbinder badge, use the third link that is given. Also, you can upload a tree chart on the link given on the screen. Once a Scout, always a Scout activities also can be uploaded in the link that is given. All you need to do is to interview any person from your family who has been a part of scouting or guiding, ask them about their experience, what they learned, and all of their new things that they did, and upload it in the link that is given. Also, remember to do the good turns that has been assigned from the past 3 days. I hope you enjoyed this session. Thank you.